Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
First, decide exactly what you want removed from the lock screen. Do you mean notification previews, widgets, or the Always on Display feature? Confirm your device model and software version first, like Android 11 or iPhone 14 Pro. Back up any personalized lock screen layouts or note current settings before you change anything. This avoids losing widgets, wallpapers, or shortcut arrangements. Proceeding carefully prevents accidental data loss. Keep your passcode or biometric info ready for settings changes requiring authentication. On Android, open Settings and tap Display to find lock screen options. Tap Lock Screen, then choose Notifications and set them to off or hide sensitive content. For Always on Display, toggle Display Settings and switch Always on Display off to remove the idle screen. To remove widgets, open Lock Screen Widgets or Shortcuts and delete each widget with the minus icon. Some manufacturers keep these settings under Security or Notifications. Authenticate with your PIN or fingerprint if prompted during changes. On iPhone, open Settings, then Face ID and passcode to control previews. Set Show Previews to never to stop notification text appearing on the lock screen. For iPhone 14 Pro, disable Always On by opening Settings, Display and Brightness, then toggle Always On off. Remove lock screen widgets by long pressing the lock screen, tapping Customize, and deleting widgets with the minus icon. For older iOS versions, similar options exist under Notifications and Wallpaper settings. Authenticate.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.